Good morning, students. I hope you all are enjoying learning at home. Children, I'm your computer teacher, Miss Hina, again here to explain you chapter 2, that is parts of a computer. So let's start. First is parts of a computer and its functions. Color and label the given picture of a computer system. So, first is, what is this? This is a monitor. You will write here monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. And the next is, this is CPU. You will write here CPU. And next is, this is keyboard. You will write here keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. And the next is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. So let's start the reading now. Parts of a computer. We know that a computer is made of different parts such as CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and more. Students, as you know that computer has many different parts like mouse, CPU, monitor, keyboard, speaker, UPS, etc. Next, like every part of a human body has a specific function. Children, like human body has many different parts and the parts have different functions. So computer is also having different parts. Computer parts also have different roles. So computer has also different parts and that parts have different roles. Let us learn about them. Then the first is monitor. Children, do you know what is a monitor? A computer monitor looks like a television. Here is a monitor. This is a picture of a monitor. It looks like a television. It is also known as visual display unit, that is VDU. Understand, children? A monitor looks like a television and it is also called as VDU, visual display unit. A monitor shows the results of what we do or type onto a computer. Children, a monitor shows the results like the things which we type on the monitor with the help of the keys, the help of a keyboard. That results, that words, that symbols we can easily see on the monitor. We can also watch movies and view pictures on it. We can also watch the movies and view all the pictures like a television. And the next is CPU. CPU is Central Processing Unit. This is a picture of a CPU. This is a CPU box. Children, CPU is like the brain of a computer. It means like human is also having a brain and computer is also having a brain called as CPU. This is a CPU and this is a brain of a computer, that is Central Processing Unit. It is present inside a CPU box. It is present inside a CPU box. Understand? This is a CPU box. It is CPU. It is present inside a CPU box. Children, this is a CPU box and it is present inside a CPU box. All the parts of a computer are controlled by CPU. I earlier told you, children, CPU works as a brain of a computer. So all the parts of a computer are controlled with the help of CPU. These parts are attached to a CPU box. These all parts are attached with the CPU box. This is a CPU box. This is a picture of a CPU box with the help of wires. This is a connection from where a CPU box is connected. Understand? Next is keyboard. Now, this is a picture of a keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons called keys. Children, this is a picture of a keyboard and a keyboard has many buttons which are called as keys. We press the keys for typing letters, numbers and special symbols onto a computer. Children, if we write something, if we want to write something, then we use keyboard for typing letters, numbers and some special symbols. Okay. Keyboards are available in different types and shapes. Children, keyboards are available in different colors, types and shapes. A keyboard can be wired or wireless. Children, these days keyboards are wireless and can be connected with the help of Bluetooth. The commonly used keyboards have 104 keys. Children, normally a keyboard have 104 keys and this is a picture of a keyboard. And the next is mouse. A computer mouse helps to point, select, open and move an item on a monitor. Children, see, this is a picture of a mouse. This is a mouse and this is a mouse pad. This is of brown color. This is a mouse pad. So a computer mouse, what a computer mouse does? A computer mouse helps to point and to select and to open and move any item on a monitor. If you want to see, if you want to point out any item, if you want to select any item, if you want to open or you want to move any item, then mouse helps you out in that. It has two buttons. Mouse usually have two buttons. It may or may not have a scroll wheel in the center of two buttons. Children, some mouse consist of scroll button but some have no scroll button. It can be wired, same like keyboard. It can also be wired or wireless. If they are wireless, then they can connect with the help of Bluetooth. A mouse allows us to move the tilted arrow or pointer. This is a pointer on a monitor. Children, with the help of mouse, we can easily move our cursor. This is our pointer. We can easily move our cursor on the monitor screen. So it is also known as pointing device. This is also known as a pointing device. A mouse should always be kept on the mouse pad to work smoothly. Children, if you want that the mouse should work properly, then you should keep the mouse on the mouse pad. If you will not keep the mouse on the mouse pad, then it will not work smoothly. So children, I hope you all enjoyed the class. Thank you and have a nice day.